Hello everyone and welcome back to our Excel tutorial series. Now today I'm going to be introducing to you one of the relatively latest functions in Excel, and it's none other than XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP is actually a game changer for searching and retrieving data. Now, something like VLOOKUP is still going to be used. However, XLOOKUP is just a bit more better than VLOOKUP. Now, with that, offering enhanced features and flexibility compared to its predecessors. My name is Simon Tech, and let's dive right into it. Now, as you can see, I have a very basic sample data set prepared for the purpose of this video, right? So this table represents employee data with columns for ID, name, department, and salary. Right. Now, let's say we want to find out the salary of an employee based on their ID using XLOOKUP. Now, for this example, again, let's use David, right? From the IT department. We want to be looking up his salary specifically using XLOOKUP, right? So first things, we have to specify the cell where we want to display the results. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using E2, right? Now, the range of the column is actually from A2 until D6, right? So we're going to be choosing E2 for the purpose of this. Now, we're going to start right up, XLOOKUP, there it is. Right, now the first thing we want to be looking or typing in is the value which we are looking for, right? So the value is, in this case, the person's name we're trying to find, or the person's ID we are trying to find, right? So in this case, we're going to be using David. He has ID number 105, so we're going to be using A6, right? So A6 is there. Next up, we're going to be specifying the lookup array, which is the range of IDs in this case, right? We have 6 of them, 5 of them, ranging from A2 until A6. This will be our lookup array, right? Now, next up, the return array, which is the range of salaries, what we want to get, right? So the lookup array is going to be A2 until A6. This is where we're going to be looking for the corresponding ID, and the return array is going to be from D2 until D6 because we want to know the end salary basically from this. Now, here, unlike how we used to see it in VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP doesn't require an exact match parameter because it defaults the exact match, right? So that's one of the improvements to its older version, let's just say it like that. So we could actually close it right here. We could also put in an if and a match mode and search mode and so forth. But for the purpose of this video, there is no need for this. Now, this is our specified formula, and as soon as having finished typing it up, we press enter. And there you have it. This is basically the salary which we were looking for, which is the salary from David from the IT department. And just like that, Excel returns what we're looking for with XLOOKUP. Now, again, as you see, it is definitely a, let's just say, a nicer feel to it than VLOOKUP. Obviously, VLOOKUP has been around longer. Nevertheless, XLOOKUP is definitely a game changer for a lot of people using Excel on a day-to-day basis. And with that, I'm going to wrap up today's tutorial. Nice and quick as always, XLOOKUP is a fantastic addition to Excel's arsenal of functions offering advanced capabilities for data retrieval and analysis. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks and generalized technological tutorials, which are going to be coming up in the future. If you have any suggestions or questions for future tutorials, by the way, leave them in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.